Okay, we'll practice with a little equation writing first, chapter 11 review, and then I'll stop the video and I'll put on something else. We'll review stoichiometry. Clear? Okay. Decomposition of a chlorate. How do you know it's decomposition? One is substance
acid
to the left of the yield sign. These are called yield signs. Okay? Remember, reactants yield products. Understood? Reactants yield products. Understood? Okay. So, aluminum chlorate. A metal chlorate will become a corresponding metal chloride plus oxygen. So this will become, that doesn't work. This will become aluminum chloride, AlCl3. Why? Because aluminum is +3 and the chloride ion is -1, so it's AlCl3 plus O2. Clear? Decomposition of a chlorate yields the corresponding metal chloride plus oxygen. Okay, balancing. This gives, I have 9 oxygens here, 2 there. That's going to be a little weird.
Yes.
Correct? It's a little weird because I can't put 4.5 there. So I have 1 aluminum there. I have 1 aluminum there, but I have 3 chlorines here, yes?
Yeah.
3 chlorines. So I'm going to need 3 chlorines here. Okay? Sorry, there are 3 chlorines here. My apologies. My apologies. Okay. So this is how I would do it. If you're going to be able to balance with like 4.5 or 3.5 or 2.5, I would balance that way and then simply double everything. So this is 9, correct? Chlorine and aluminum are balanced. This is 9 oxygen, so I would put 4.5 there, correct?
Yeah.
Yes? Now double everything. So this becomes 2, 2, and this becomes 9. Correct? Easy? So let's see, 2 aluminum, 2 aluminum. 6 chlorines, 6 chlorine. 9, 18 oxygens, 18 oxygens. Clear? Easy? Yes?
Yes.
Remember we did that a little bit when we did combustion equations, where we balanced it in terms of an odd number of oxygen molecules, then we simply doubled everything. Remember that? Okay, so next one, aluminum plus bromine. Aluminum bromide. What's the aluminum bromide? What is that? What's the formula?
AlBr2.
No. Aluminum becomes +3, right?
Yes.
+3 minus 1, so that's going to be AlBr3. Yes? I have 3 and 2, automatically think LCM, least common multiple is 6, right? So that's a 3, that's a 2, 2, balanced. Okay? Yes? With me?
And this is synthesis?
This is synthesis. Combination. Some books call it combination, some books call it synthesis. Here's another synthesis. Sodium and fluorine. What are we going to get? Sodium.
Fluoride.
Sodium fluoride. What's the formula for sodium fluoride? Sodium is, what is it?
Na plus
Na plus F.
What is it? What? No, I understand that, but what's the formula for sodium fluoride?
NaF2.
F3.
Well, let's see. Let's work right here. Na is in group 1, right?
Yeah.
So that's +1. F is in group 17, correct? That's minus 1.
So NAF.
NAF, good. NAF, and then, how do I balance it?
You put two on
NA
and
two
two over
NA.
here.
You get it?
Yes.
Coming together? Excellent. What about this one? This is single replacement, an element plus an acid, an active metal, we'll call this an active metal, and an acid. What are you going to get?
You're gonna get base and hydrogen.
You're going to get what?
The base and the hydrogen.
No.
Aluminum.
This is going to come in here
ALH.
and kick that out, right? So you'll get
ALH.
Al, we'll just call it Al and SO4, right? Plus H2. You okay with that?
Yes.
Now, what's the formula for aluminum sulfate? What's the formula?
Aluminum is.
That's not correct.
This is the charges.
Sulfate.
Well, what's the charge of aluminum?
A
Aluminum
is plus 3.
Right? Yes? So what's the formula for aluminum sulfate? Al,
Al2
Al2.
SO43.
Well done, Mohammed. Well done. That's right. Very good. Yes? Good. Now balance it.
So it's gonna be 2 AL from that side.
2 ALs.
Yeah.
Okay. That's right. And what?
3 on this side.
3 here for sulfite. Sulfite. Sorry, this is my apologies. This is not sulfates. Sulfites. Same. I mean, it's not the same, but sulfite is -2, sulfate is -2. Just want to correct that. So
3. Yeah, 3
I
there.
put
and
3 here?
3 H2.
3
3 H2 here too.
and 3 here.
Yeah, 3 here.
Is that it?
Yeah.
A little bit more comfortable with balancing? Yeah, a little more comfortable? Okay. What's this one? This is a double replacement. A, B, C, D.
So
What am I going to get? What's my
BAAL?
BAAL? So in other words, you're going to stick 2 metals together? Does that make sense to you? Isn't barium +2 and aluminum +3? Don't you need a BaOH is there,
Yeah.
and Al, so barium hydroxide and aluminum phosphate, right? Yes? Let's write over here. AB plus CD yields AD plus CB, right? Yes? Yes?
So it's BA and phosphate.
So barium and phosphate. We're not going to write the correct formula. We're just going to write the thing. We'll sort out the formula in a minute. And then aluminum and
OH.
hydroxide, right? Now, how do you write barium phosphate? Barium is group 2, right? So it's +2. Phosphate is -3. So what do I do?
Barium 3 phosphate 2.
Muhammad is on fire with the nomenclature. Okay.
The charge.
Phosphate is -3. Aluminum and hydroxide. Aluminum is +3, hydroxide is -1. What's the formula for aluminum hydroxide?
3 next to the OH.
Now balance it.
So you have to.
How do I balance it?
So you put 3, you put 3 before barium, 3 barium, left,
On the left
Let me
side.
make this a little bit
That's
clearer.
3 there.
I put barium here,
3.
3, good.
And then you put 2 on both sides.
2 aluminum, yeah, 2 aluminum. And
Here?
2 aluminum, yeah. And from the other
Two on the
side,
other side.
2 aluminum,
Right side.
yeah.
So I got 6 hydroxide and 3 barium. Good. 2 phosphate, 2 aluminum. Good. Yes? Easy? Okay? Remember, you'll have your sheet. It's not just having that equation writing cheat sheet, it's knowing how to use it. Correct? You pointed that out the other day. Yes? You can have all the reference material that you want as long as you know how to use it, right? Okay? All right, we're off.